taking more time. Okay.
Yeah, it takes time to run.
And it's taking some time, and it's saying at the end it's
For
saying
which,
log.
I have a question. For which data you are preparing AutoArima?
3 years our data only, 3 years data which I downloaded.
Oh,
Like 50% that data made it.
which Nayak shared.
Yes.
Yeah, I have also tried AutoArima.
Which one? What is
Yeah,
the
It
what
this
is
is
the
it.
name of that one?
Yeah, this is the file name.
No, don't use this. This after that I have shared one
Oh,
more file yesterday that is having very good data. Can you read and stop
oh,
the thing?
okay.
Just change that name alone. Yesterday I have shared one thing, right?
for this data, it will give only ARMA. It will not include D value. It will
So
say D is equal to 0.
I will try to reshare that. Even with the graphs, I have shared you one sheet.
Yeah.
I pinged
Is
in
it
WhatsApp. Okay. Try to
WhatsApp?
replace.
Okay, this one. Okay.
For this even graphs I have visualized and I have shared. Actually, this data it is not having much null values. 2000 rows now we able to fetch.
Oh, is it because I saw the null values data also, but for this also 50% fill also, there's no null values data.
Because we have dropped 50% and after that we have predicted a 50%, right?
Mm-hmm. Anyway, this is the sample of auto Arima. Normal Arima also I tried little bit. I'll show you that
What
one.
data I have shared with this data? So in that, can you just able to
Oh, see, shall I see this?
have
What data is this?
so in that text format thing it is there or not? Just check it.
Okay,
Or else I will
just
try to give one more thing because I have filled null values also. After that,
okay.
maybe this is the raw file.
These are data, complete ones.
Means string is there available.
Yeah, string is there.
String is there. Then one
AQI.
minute. One minute. One minute. I don't know whether I uploaded in. I haven't shared maybe. One more thing I have shared.
Okay.
Means after above that data set, right? I have used pchip and I have filled that data.
Okay.
Pchip.
Okay. Pitch. I'll upload to.
And this data that histogram na that normal
Mhm.
graph it showed properly. Yesterday we have seen that it is not showing properly, right?
Yeah.
These are
Histogram.
data, right? AQI. We have first.
No,
Okay,
that
AQI.
names na names you
Columns.
deleted.
Columns.
Delete it. That only names part delete it.
Yeah. Okay.
No. You delete it total.
Mm.
Delete. I think that is okay.
Akiri?
And index underscore column na 0 in the second line, in the same second line index underscore column 0 it is there na, copy that top in the same second
Okay.
line.
This one. Okay.
uh,
Index underscore column.
Same,
Okay.
copy paste.
Okay.
So I think phrase rates also is good. I think if you or else not
So
okay,
this.
try it, let's try. I think not
Which one?
phrase dates sometimes it will be in string only.
Okay. Oh, to date you want to say, like
No.
formatting date.
The phrase rate top it is there na, it is already it is in code means that is okay. Today you
Phrase
are
dates.
In the
So two
second
data
line,
I'm comparing. Okay.
same. This one we can do it
Okay.
using
Okay.
that phrase
Okay.
dates.
Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Okay.
Okay, anyhow,
Directly.
you are
Okay.
doing it down now. That will be okay, fine. But here
Okay.
date time is
It
not
should be
there,
fine.
so you have
Yes. Yes.
to
I did with the phrase dates
don't
only.
make it one.
Name.
Make it only 0.
Here AQI becomes the index due to this.
This is one. This one.
Yes,
Phrase
that's all. Run it
parts
now.
dates.
Run it now. It's good now.
Okay. Okay.
No, you don't run this one. You can run from this.
Mm. Shall I run other ones? So just to check whether it's
Yes, yes,
stationary, because if we
yes,
see.
yes. Yes, this graph also fully it will change it. Error. Why?
Mm,
Date time it is not there, no? Why date
it's
time is
not there.
coming?
Why it came?
It is direct index.
Yeah, it should be. Okay. Anyway, I will do with a different one. It is
Mm-mm.
fuel test is went off.
This
I'll
one
run
also.
this declare one.
Yeah. Visualization part maybe I will share. It's not. This is creating more problem for you.
Why?
Maybe whether we can
Yeah,
keep
I will
index as
run.
a date time instead of deleting everywhere.
The index has become AQI because there is no name to the date time. That's why it's giving error.
For that only, what I'm telling is everywhere he has that one, right? In the first line, if he has introduced like index name is equal to date time, maybe
Date
it may
time.
solve all the code. Only changing that.
Okay, I will. So we can do rename, right? Just I will import it, and we'll rename the column.
After that, data dot columns.
Yeah. So this is the one,
No,
right?
you keep same thing.
This one I'll rename this one first. This column.
After that, set as index.
Yeah. Yes, I'll do that. What is script?
No, you can use direct columns, na? Use data dot columns.
Columns is not there. I think
It is
names
there. It
only.
is there. It is there. Just
Okay.
use data dot. Not there.
Okay. Here. Okay.
You keep same thing in the bottom line. Columns. Columns
Okay.
is
Okay.
equal to, just give those list of names. Date time comma AQI. Try to visualize that.
Yeah.
Uh,
Mm.
Make it as a index.
Yeah. I'll do. So just here I'm coming and doing that
Index also.
visualization.
Then keep control Z also. That will come.
So it is coming like this.
Mm.
The whole process.
Give control
What
Z.
did I give?
That
I think this is the one more thing with the Arima I tried, but this prediction is too wrong.
that is what we will see with this data.
Mm. Mm.
The data is filled so many things, right? So just run one by one. In this, give control Z. Directly give control Z.
Yeah,
Came
I
up.
have.
Okay.
No, I have two files with a
Okay.
backup. So decular test, it is saying stationary. This done this one.
Yes. So it is -9. It came same thing, right? P value
Mm.
-9.
Mm.
Correct.
So just make it temporary, and because we are checking the differences.
Mm.
Because no need, because stationary means no need to check everything. With
So
the
what you have done here? You have differentiated
here
how
means,
much?
so it is the initial is like each
Initial.
first
Hmm.
first one difference, second is two difference, third
Hmm.
is three difference.
This
So
is one
to
of the
see how
doubt.
it,
Means using this that stationarity, we will achieve it, or what is the outcome of it?
to see the data, so whether it is seasonal or stationary, to the
Uh-huh.
graphical
Actually,
perspective.
we do this when we have when our data is not stationary.
Yes.
Then
Yes,
we
yes,
So to
yes.
achieve stationarity, we will do this activity, right?
Yeah, yes.
yes, yes,
To
So this is like trial and error only, like first shift, second shift, like that. We
yes,
will
yes,
go and we will run that yet fuller test, and we will see value is coming or not.
yes.
And
yes.
this
And the D value which is in Arima, it's calculated from here only. It's taken
D
from
value.
here only.
Can you
Yes,
show? Can you
D.
show where?
Difference,
Okay,
right?
okay.
How the differentiate.
PDQ value.
Yeah,
Yes,
difference,
yes,
right?
PQ. Yes,
The first
That is
difference in
one more
one, second
doubt. So
difference.
if it is one difference, it is like there. It is one, two means two. Like that, it is.
Yes, yes, yes,
yes,
yes.
yes.
Then, if we are applying log, then what it will be? I am not applying any difference. I am applying log.
Then we simply build ARMA model.
So it is not
And for
this one.
Yeah, if we know about D value, then we can build only na Arima model where
Uh,
I
uh,
represent difference, non-seasonal differences.
so if there is no difference, means no need of AR IMA. We
It will become
AR
zero.
and MR.
D becomes zero. D
Then
becomes
D
that's
zero.
what.
becomes zero.
Mhm.
Yeah.
So seeing this graph, what is the observation, Lakshmi?
So is a from the first itself it's saying stationary.
Hmm.
That means D will become zero, right? No need to check the other
No,
differences.
stationary. How you will know seeing that graph
By
is
the DK
stationary?
Fuller test, DK
That
Fuller
is okay,
test.
but seeing the graph, I am asking because I have a
Seeing the
doubt here.
graph
I
in
have a doubt here.
seeing the graphs in that. So, sir, for example, autocorrelation like a upside, for example, linear, like uptrend or low trend,
Uh,
downtrend.
uh,
Then it is a like a seasonal, right? So it
uh.
here it is not uptrend or downtrend.
No, no. Trend doesn't mean it is a seasonal, right?
Mm.
Mm.
Yeah, trend means seasonal only, right? Because
I heard is like trend is one thing, seasonality is one thing, and after that this
Yes,
whatever that
level,
errors will be
level.
there.
Yeah.
So trend is different. Trend will be like the base value, you can say, like whatever the key values, it will be present inside that graph, right? So it will resemble mostly in predicting the values along with that seasonality. So seasonality means apart from the trend, there will be certain
Mhm.
period it will go high and down.
Yes, yes, yes. But definitely that there will be trend, right? So there's
Yeah,
upside
that is what
trend, low
trend
trend
can we
trend.
will say when it is
Mm.
like increasing or decreasing. That is a trend. Seasonality is
Yes,
within some period there is a like a hike.
yes, yes, correct.
That
That
is
is
the
correct one.
seasonality. So yeah.
Here, if you see here, there's no trend, right? So if you see, it is a constant, like a one, the whole is constant, right?
No, means I have done like I have read somewhere and I have applied also. This part
Okay,
I will show it when presentation,
okay,
because you are sharing. Just to
okay.
carry on. I will do it.
Yeah, okay. If you go to the next lecture to see uh, P and this one Q,
This
but I didn't get
is
anything on this. I didn't
this
get
is one more
on this
thing.
one.
Same thing I got it. Like why
Yeah,
that first thing is coming like this? I didn't understand.
based on data, because
So
it should come as a within this shadow region,
I
right?
am
Then
expecting
only
like
it will
that
show.
partial autocorrelation. Na? I am expecting like this
Yes,
because
yes,
the
yes.
it is falling under like 0.02 now.
Yeah, here.
That one we will take like the same thing we have
Mm.
done. And actually last meeting Aman did some after this auto sorry log, after that some difference he has applied. Then
Yeah,
became
he
like
applied
uh,
he applied differentiation, right? Differentiation in
correct,
terms of log
correct.
log.
yes, log, I have applied log, and difference can be also applied to convert into stationary. It's basically showing that our data is not stationary.
Where?
What
Mm, mm.
auto
Here, here,
correlation,
In the graph?
this
autocorrelation. Yeah,
yes,
in the
yes.
graph, based
And
on graph.
see that thing only it is getting more confusing for me. Like we are saying in the top using so many methods it is stationary, and finally we come to here, right? After coming here again, we are saying it is not stationary.
Yeah, I have also doubt in this because decay Fuller test is showing that graph is stationary.
Correct. So
Means our data is stationary,
uh,
but
see
here
this
it's
this
showing
auto
that
correlation, na, it is saying only correlation. It is nowhere saying that it is a stationary or not.
yes, yes. But if it gives in linear shape, then how we will able to calculate the Q value? Because by autocorrelation, we are able to calculate the Q value.
Mm.
Mm, yes.
So if it gives the linear shape, then how we will be able to calculate it?
That is what why
This is
this
now.
it is coming, because there is our data whatever we pre-process it, right, it is not a proper way, means it is not properly done. There maybe we are missing something, like seasonality or some other thing we are missing
Yeah,
something.
definitely we are missing something because AAC, the score also too much actually,
Now you
18,000 I
run
got.
try to run this one, like okay this
Okay.
point anyhow yesterday last meeting also we have highlighted.
Yeah, yes, yes. This is the lag. So how the AQI value is plotting with respect to is a linear is uptrend. So these
Lag
are
with
lag
respect
scatter
to,
flat. AQI with respect to previous value.
so how, like every row every previous value it will try to check, right?
Yes, yes. One value, the current value, will try to check the previous value.
Uh,
That's what is
so
saying.
previously you
If
done
points
with
are diagonally,
some manual
if,
function, and now it is like a
so
inbuilt code.
if you see here, if it is from bottom left to top right flat, it is positive correlation
Mm.
relationship.
Mm, mm,
The whole data is positive correlation
mm.
data. Okay, and just to see the distribution, same thing you
Just rerun
plotted
it.
in yeah, in WhatsApp also, right? Yeah, same thing.
Oh, so same top graph it is coming.
Yes,
Okay.
yes.
Next.
It is like a seeing the expert, like a, what is that called, 1 year 2 years perspective. We can do the same thing to see the visualize the data.
Okay.
The
Pair
same as
plot.
previous data
Uh,
is like a,
but this bar I didn't get here. Myself and Praneeth, we tried
oh,
this graph. We get it,
the,
but downside na that.
this one I don't know. We can use this
No,
actually.
basically what it does, the bar,
Ju-
it zoom into the
yes,
Correct.
particular year.
Correct,
yes.
correct. So for me, arrow is coming. Whenever I am keeping
Mm,
that, and the date na January 2019. If you keep that
mm,
cursor keep that there.
mm,
Yes, yes.
Like that it is
mm.
coming. But downside that bar, it is missed. I don't know.
Okay, okay. You can use this, and of
And
course
that
you can
1 year,
you can
three
try
year,
that.
5 year, that also it is
Mm.
missed. That is also good features.
This you need to
Uh,
give this year.
you have
Ah,
to,
okay. Then maybe bar will come after
yes,
keeping that
Mm-mm.
range slider.
So
slider.
there's a slider to see the data, just to see what is going
Mm-hmm.
on. Next, I made it as index. Now that currently the graphs are everything I saw. Again, I came back to see the
So
same thing.
the same thing,
And
right?
just again first from first. So yesterday we are trying, right? NA it is not coming. NAN is not
Mm,
coming.
mm, mm,
Sometimes it's coming, right?
mm.
We can use this feature df.query AQI, which column we can give column
Query
name
like
here.
SQL.
Not required.
You are SQL expert. That's
Yeah.
why you came out this.
So it is saying the both will come NA or everything.
Mm-hmm.
This is auto. Shall I keep the? Shall I do the auto Arima now?
Yeah, yeah, do it.
Okay.
If it is taking too much of time, then we will skip.
Okay. This is the one. Okay.
So now means we feel like little things are there, but while going deeper, right? Something we have to
Yeah,
study
it
more.
is something like a teaching in the class. So high level teaching will be there. When you go to the exams or preparation, so we'll know the pain points. Because I saw the videos, couple of videos, many videos I saw. It is went
But
super actually. If you
to
see
be
here,
frank, right? Last meeting, Aman has presented very well. Okay. After that,
yes.
we have listed out wherever our things means where we are lagging. Okay, that points I have made. This wait this one
No, it is a
no.
different one. This is a different one which I'm trying showing because
Uh,
when I tried practicing the same data which YouTube has showed,
mm.
everything came well, very well. All the things and
No,
also
one graph
expectations,
today
everything.
I have seen like a seasonal trend. This is also one of the thing which I want to
So
build. I
this
trying.
is expectations. Just I followed. I thought yes, I can able to do that. Then when I applied in our data,
Mm.
it's completely
To be frank, I want to at least achieve this much, but still this level also I didn't came because na
these
I
are my
started up
practice data.
there only.
Okay, this is my practice data, not our data. This is my practice data
Yeah,
to
okay,
auto Arima.
okay. But at least
It-
if code is ready, then something
Yeah,
you in between, if you make it
yeah.
proper, then everything will run
Yes,
automatically. That is good.
yes. The auto Arima is going on. Just I'll show our my normal manual Arima,
Ah,
which I tried. We can try with our. Shall I try with our data, the newest data which we created. This is made the copy that previously is auto Arima one. This is a normal manual Arima. Everything is same. Just the last one I changed it. I switch it to different one. Fine, right?
yeah, it's okay.
Okay, because
Means data
that
itself.
auto Arima that auto Arima is taking a lot of time for me. Still,
Yeah, we will
it
skip
is
to that data
processing.
Rima part
And
and go to
the
the website.
problem is initially itself we can see the problem because if AAC is coming at 26,000,
సరే తిను తిను
not
meeting.
2 lakh 67,000. You should not come there. Actually,
Maybe because of that data only. That
yeah,
even Ekima we have done previously, right? So it is
yeah.
giving so much peak values, which is
Okay,
not good. So come
okay.
down and is there, after this any other code is there in this sheet?
No, no. After that, no. I stopped it because I want to proceed like this.
Mm-hmm.
After rest of the things, once the
Mm-hmm.
because here right the same way. Once you get the auto Arima once, this is the auto Arima. Just to see,
Mm-hmm.
this is a sample data. Auto Arima will get this. This is the one peak one. Let's write approximate estimation grid search. This is something like grid search, right?
Yes.
So with this the one we'll get 200. So
Mm-hmm.
if we apply the same thing to the sample data, like we'll split the data, we'll apply that
So
and we'll see the prediction.
this it is not with our code, right, or with our code only?
No, no, not in the sample code, not
Okay.
with our code
Okay.
because we didn't get the everything right. So I stopped till here because
Okay.
auto Arima did not move after
Okay. Okay.
that.
So
So now I'm going with the normal one.
so this alone you are telling taking too much of time or other thing?
Yes, auto Arima only. Auto
Okay.
Arima prediction only is taking a lot of
Uh,
time.
but uh, maximum order 4 means you are 4 times it will change 0 1 2 3 4 like that.
Yes, yes.
Okay.
4 times it will search extra zero. Yeah.
That's why the matrix is becoming lengthy, right? So if it is
Okay.
3, at least maybe 0 1 2 3 like that, the matrix might have come less.
Okay. I'll
Okay,
try
no
with
problem.
three.
Let it come until our meeting ends. Now, if it's some
Okay.
result is there, then we'll see it.
Okay. And for you, it something able to anybody able to get this auto Arima at least to run without data, no, right?
I haven't came up to that
I
level.
I was able
Okay.
to get it with earlier data,
Okay.
but it was when the result come, it gives me
Mm.
201 something like that value,
Okay.
and it
201.
was yeah, it's basically give me ARMA model, not a RIMA model.
Okay.
Yeah, because even seasonality
In
will
in
give
collab
it
in
his value.
collab in collab
Yes,
you
yes,
got
in collab. Yes.
uh, because I tried more than five. Okay, might be I need to change something. Okay, this is a manual one which we are trying now. I think this everything are same which you saw
Mm.
previously. Okay, fuller. Same value it shows the stationary, but when you come to this 4, hmm,
Yeah, data set is changed, right? That's why it is coming like
here also the same thing which you saw previously. There is a lag. I will not run the above ones, so I directly go to the like I getting the AQI. I skipped some steps. I'll run everything.
then Arima will run, right?
Yeah, somewhere some step actually I missed it
Okay,
to
okay.
run it, so it went off.
Maybe
So
when it is
I'm
keep on
running
running
everything.
Arima, just stop that where and you can run. No, auto Arima is running, right? You just stop that cell alone.
Yes, yes. I actually I commented that.
Ah, okay, good then. What is the warning?
No, that is a different no, like a
Importing only.
PDM Arima.
Acha.
Yeah, PDM Arima one. So this one it went what? Yeah, it went. It got 165. It's the wrong one. 1,65,000 AAC.
So means what date you have predicted it is? Right?
Not he has basically
This
split it.
this yeah. I sent this data like a train data.
Mm.
Just I made that. So after for the train data, we will see the AAC.
Okay.
What is the AAC? It
So
should be less, very less actually.
how means within what range? Maybe like
No, like within uh, is it 200, 300 below around 500? I feel
okay.
less than 1,000 max.
So
You should not get
this is like the deciding parameter for that one, right?
yeah, as I read, so it should be the less.
Mm.
Then only the model is good. So for example, if I go with the other one, the same one, I proceeded with the same one. So I made it. I got this one this way predicted model.
Mm-hmm. Which is
This
orange
is the
one.
actual. Yeah, blue is the actual one.
Mm.
So green
Orange.
less one. Orange is the predicted one.
Mm-hmm.
But it should not go like this. It
Yeah,
should
it
have.
is. I mean, that's what we have to do a lot.
So we need to do that lot of. Previously,
the,
the I think data is changed. Previously, I got straight like horizontal line. Now it is coming as an uptrend line. So the data we need to do this.
there is because when I also tried with previous data, the
Hmm.
IC value was very high, 1,37,000 something like
Yes,
this.
yes, the same thing. 1,65,000 AAC.
Should not be like this.
Yeah, I should be less than 1,000 something.
And
The model for
who
every
are all
model,
there in deep learning batch? Our in this group
no one is, I think.
I am there, but I
means
too. I'm
means
not that
see
much.
in ML batch they are not telling much. Okay, they told only simple
Mm.
problem statement and they left it. Okay, and DL batch it is also there, right? Time series problem. So how much they are covering, whether they are covering any like what we are doing, they are covering like that, anything is there?
They
I can
must
show
be
you.
doing with they must be doing with
Mm,
LSTM.
yeah,
LSTM
I think,
anyhow
but I
that is
don't.
totally different. But apart from that, like what we are doing, like this, even within one class, na in ML batch they have completed,
Yeah, yes. Actually, within I
and
mostly concentrate
very
in ML
basic,
only.
very
Yeah.
basic one that is.
Mm.
And
Within
they have
1 hour,
not
1 hour class
explained
only.
the differences and all these things. Basically, what they have done is they have prepared the data and
Mhm.
they only tell about the Dickey Fuller test and basically about the Arima model. And not so deeply, they have not gone into time series model.
Mhm.
What
So
else?
any other thing, Narana?
No, these two only I tried actually.
Okay, so it is running. Okay, still running.
This is the other one is running. This what stuck. This also auto Arima. This
Auto
both
Remo,
are running.
what about other one? These two is something you were telling?
This is
Another.
like I tried with Sarimax. Just wanted to
Oh,
try
okay, okay.
Sarimax. I was trying that. Still, that is
That is what
model
with
is
one
running.
approach here that whatever the pre-processing of data, if we are good with that run one, right, then we can run on
Mm.
other models. Even I struck up there itself. Means I am not satisfied with that pre-processing of data. I am not convinced like the data shows graph shows one thing and that a fuller thing shows one thing.
I think we need to spend more time on pre-processing only
Yes.
because with the data only it is coming right. It is not showing correctly. Can we try with the log one? Just
That is what we have to. What my observation is, the main thing which we
mm.
have to work on is the transformations of the data,
Mm.
what our data says and what transformations we have to apply, and which transformations will do what thing. Means at least we have to know why we are doing instead of trial and error. If you are applying log, what will happen? What is the trend and why? What transformation we can apply to that? And if it apply, how the trend may vary. At least we have to understand and do it instead of try and error. That's what I mean to say.
Mm.
And if you are
Mm.
doing only now, we are doing only two things, right? Log we have done and differentiation we have done. So we have to at least understand why and what it is
So
making difference.
differentiation, why means yeah, I read that differentiation mean. So if you like for example, is seasonal the same type of curve comes at 12 months or 1 day,
Mm.
3 days. So then we need to apply the differentiation as similar to that curve or
Mm.
lag.
Mm-hmm.
Okay,
Okay.
for example, every 12 months is having same trend,
Mm.
same curve.
Mm.
Then we need to put the differentiation at 12 there.
Okay. So what will happen then? That seasonality will be removed.
Yes, that seasonality will be removed and we'll
And
have stationary
uh,
data
stationary data.
with the
Then the
12. Yeah,
model will
12
be
D
like
as 12.
good.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So this is differentiation and log.
Log, I didn't see. I read more on differentiation only.
Okay.
In Excel
So
also,
that
I
is
Log
that.
need to
basically
do.
what it does, if our value is ranging very high, so if we apply log, then the value will be shrinked. If we
Mm.
apply log for 23,
Mm.
then the value will be lesser than 23. The log value of 23 will be much more less. So it basically reduces the dimension or
Mm.
value log. What is
And that
that
is what
what
even
log do?
last class where we have like discussed it, right? So the trend, if it is like this shape, if you apply the trend may will come this side, this shape after. So if the shape of the trend is this one, then the mean will come as a straight line like that. At least some basic things now we should like thumb rules. We have to make a note and then we have to play with that. Only thing because after that we are directly building that model and applying that. Auto Arima kind of things, right? Nothing we are doing.
Yeah, yeah.
So only there only I'm feeling that we are not doing a good part. So I think let it run, Narana. Maybe I will share in between.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay,
So
okay.
my
Sure. I'll stop sharing. I'll make you host so that
I
I'll
have
also
not done much part, but
click
still
on.
okay. Let's see. I can share it. first thing is let me open. So this is what Pranit has done. Okay, he has done some workout. After that, we both like discuss it together and made the workout. Here actually in it na this graph it is not coming. So I'll open collab and I will show you there. This is not related to modeling part. Before the part which even I have shared with you in the WhatsApp, I'll just discuss with you and I will close the topic. So finally, this is only which I want to show you and discuss. So before that, let me show you this one. So our data is total 27,000 data, and after that, whatever insufficient data it is like 3,300. After that, it is not at all a data. It is there is like 2,000. So combinedly around 5 to 5.5, 5.5 it is there. And if it is coming to the percentage, that 20 percentage of data it is totally missing among our all data. And this is previously even in between also we have like a lot of missing data. Right now I can see only here it is like missing data, which we can even drop. I feel it. This it is acceptable, but here only a lot of missing data it is there. So but we haven't done anything. That is we kept it open, whether we have to drop. And second thing, like 50 percentage of data we have to drop, and 50 we have to predict. That is also one of the open point which I have not done anything. So this is the visualization kind. This is the visualization. So here where the most of the data it is missing in 2017, and rest of the thing it is quite good. Coming back to the graph. Okay, so these is the names. Okay, so whatever the top graph of the purple, it is like the actual one, and you can see the gaps wherever it is there, it is filling. So while observing this, right, I can see like the graphs is almost matching with the data. It is not like only here alone that U shape Akima it is like going very out hard. Even this it is like giving only like linear kind of thing. Apart from that, everywhere we are almost like matching the curve. So I feel like whatever we are predicting, the shapes are very good. So we can directly go with these models. Since only that schema it is going very deep, right? Negative values also coming. So finally I took like p chip is the final one. So if you guys have any other thought, you can share your things.
So with PChip, there is no negative values, right? Only
No negative
Akima we
value.
have negative
Akima,
values.
since the gap is more, and it gives so much peak
Okay.
values, right? So it is going to the negative.
Mm.
So see, here also you can see
Okay.
the trend is coming down. So it will go down and it will go. It will
Mm.
touch this one. Because of that, it is going very negative. Or
Okay.
else, if this part
Okay.
is not there, Akima is a good one. Okay, and especially what my observation is, if the
Okay.
gaps are not very much, means null values, then it is like giving the best one. This P chip, it is, you can see that orange color line. It is not giving the good hike, but
Yes.
in this also it has to give actually some hike. It is not like linear. It's almost like linear.
Mm.
So have you checked that after Akima, this P chip is getting low RMS or no?
See, this trend itself, it is showing, right? Trend itself, it is showing, it is matching. And second thing, whatever our previous exercise which we have done, the second one, it is like p-chip, and after that index, time, everything, it is coming in the same value. So instead of taking everything, I have taken time. So this is the order
Yes, yes.
where our values are falling, RMS values. So first it is this one, second is this one, third it is this one. Okay,
Yes,
so
yes.
in the three order, I feel like the time now it is giving again linear, so we're giving more like steeper curve, so we will not go for it. It is like p chip, it is giving some better value, so I prefer that one behind it. So this is the conclusion. And again, in these values, there is again open point like 50 percentage, whether we will drop or we will not drop.
So now what is the percentage of null value
20
of
percentage.
total?
20 percentage, that is what I will
Uh,
show you.
After getting that no values data.
That is what, let me show you that again. So this is the one. Okay, so 2000 plus 3000 insufficient data, and this is no value available. So rest of the values, everything it is available for us. So out of 27,000, these 5500 values are missing. So if you come to percentage, it is like 20 percentage it is missing. Clear, Nayak?
Yes, sir. Yes.
Okay, so this is query, guys, please conclude this one. So whether we will
So then, what is the percentage before that no value?
is 35 plus it is there.
Okay, okay. We are reducing 15% then.
Yes, correct. Nearly 2000 values we have able to achieve. That no value one, it is there, right? So I rerun with that no value one. Then like how many times it, let it be like that, I run, means time I have given more, like 3 seconds I have given more. Then I run it. Then within single run, it came. It took a lot of time, means because of the 3 seconds, but all values came within single loop.
So that was happening for that base loading issue.
Correct.
Am I right? Yeah, okay, sir. Okay.
So Narayana, this is the query. Even Aman Praneeth.
Okay.
So what is means as per the last meeting with this one, we have to drop 50 percentage. Means we only raise, since that data is like 35 percentage is missing. What we will do like that? We ask.
Okay.
Then what he told is like 50 percentage you drop it. After that 50 percentage you try to predict it. But it's not a good idea to drop
Yes.
values like that.
We
He's
can keep it. Yeah. I feel that we can keep it,
will not
and we'll.
drop, right? Because
Yeah.
I
Yes.
can see the trends are pretty much matching. Okay, only
Yes.
here,
Yes.
only here it is there. Okay, so one thing we
That
can
is
do,
fine, right? Yeah.
we can drop only these data, or else we can keep this is also.
Yes. We'll keep that. Actually, I
We'll
feel
keep
that
it,
we
we'll
can
see
keep it.
performance.
Yes.
And
Yes.
that
Yes.
whatever that you are telling, right, the value it is coming very more, definitely it will
Yes.
not be
Yes.
because of this. But if it is
Yes.
still
Yes.
we didn't find anything, we will try to delete only this path, this
Yes.
rows, and then we will try to guess it, rerun
Yeah.
it.
For that, at least we can try that. From 2019 also we can try that
Yes,
model.
yes, if you want to go
From
ahead, then just take a value which is here, like
from
August,
yeah, yeah.
August
From two
20.
yeah, from August 2018 we can take it. We can see the model. You should not. At least you should give the approximate, right? Not
Correct.
more where
Mm-hmm.
that prediction.
So this is one point.
So now we need to try with the log, right? Log.
Mm.
We need to try the data. Here you have correct one, right? This is the log one which you are showing.
It is the log. Last time also we got the same thing. Negative it is going, which it should not go. Let me come in sequence, so it will be easy for.
Mm.
So this is the histogram. I have to be frank, I have taken his code, Aman code, and rerun it. Okay, nothing.
Okay. Okay.
So this is the histogram, and this is the graph. And Aman, if it is like this, what is the conclusion of it? It is like stationary.
That is stationary. Yes. If it
Okay.
is like a bell shape, it is a
Bell
stationary.
shape.
Okay, and this is the one which I want to show you guys. Like, see, I have taken rolling average, even I have shown in one video. So what they mean is, rolling average and standard deviation, it should not be like it should be constant throughout the trend. So this graph, seeing this now, I can see like standard deviation is varying, okay, but rolling average, it is varying a lot. Okay, it is not stationary at all. So
It is, it is not
uh,
stationary.
my doubt is this is creating problem. I am thinking. Okay, so and another thing, how much rolling someone is like making like 12 month data. They are making 12. Okay, and we are having hour data. So whether we have to go back to 1 year data rolling average, or whether we have to go 1 month data, or how it is. This is one major question which I have. On what basis we will decide that rolling average, that, and I will show you guys like this na this so we want like 1 year, right? So for making 1 year, we should be one, I think. Okay. So 24 hours into 365 days, it is 1 year. So 1 year data window size I am giving one year. It is clear na? Calculation part.
Yeah.
Yeah. So this part, if I, it is running, okay. If I go back like that, then it is giving a linear what I say, or mean and standard deviation. So you can see, since the average data is more, na, definitely it should be like this one, uh, straight line. But still, it is maybe some other cases it may also go like a wave shape kind of thing. So this is my doubt. Like the value which we are taking as a rolling window, is it correct or not? So this shows when we are rising the average window size, then it is showing linear, and we when we are coming 1 month data, also it is showing like a wave curve. Yeah. Lakshmi Aman.
Yeah, no
But
idea. Just
rolling average I
that.
have not studied, right?
But we, it means
No idea
this is
about
like now extension of your thing only. I am asking now, so I have concentrated more on this. I want to judge myself, like convince myself like the data is stationary or not. So for that, the reference, most of the video they are saying that rolling average should be straight line, and standard deviation should be straight line. The more the straight line it will be, the we can conclude that it is stationary. And even this, no, like this we are representing in form of uh, like graph. So both are same. I mean to say,
it. Okay.
but thing is how much size we have to keep, that is one thing, because based on this window size only, the average value, it is linear or not, we will judge it. So
Yes, yes.
if we don't have a note, we will just make a note. Okay, that is
Okay.
one thing. And then this is all values will be same which not and flow, and this is also same thing. And after log, you want to show, right? So this is what after log. So even yesterday also it went down. So why it went down, I'm not sure much
But
clear.
we don't have any problem with that. Basically, what we have to do is that if we take 0.2 as our interval,
Hmm.
then crossing the interval, we are going downwards only for that for plotting it now.
Hmm.
So we will consider 1 or 0. We can consider
We
P
can,
AQ is equal to.
how much value?
If we take 0.2 as a interval,
Hmm.
okay, then we if we plot it,
Hmm.
like if we plot by with pen,
Hmm.
that we are filling it, then 0.2 is crossing at 2 only, 1 only, at 1 if you observe.
Hmm.
So we will consider Q 1 or 0, whatever we can consider is
So you mean to say it is like one, near to one,
near to 1 or 0.
and but it's near to zero, no, point two means, and
Yes, yes, it,
till
it is either we can consider it at 1 or 0. We can, it's no, it doesn't matter
No, no,
much.
it matters. No, if it is zero, then it is no relation at all, auto correlation at all, right?
Why? No, it's not like that. It's basically we are calculating the lag value.
It is correct. So the PQ, PDQ, if we are making D as zero, then what is our conclusion? It is
D,
not
we are
a
not making D as, we are not making D as 0. The autocorrelation measures Q,
correct.
moving
Correct. I'm
average.
not denying that one. In our
Yeah,
previous discussion, if D is zero, what is our statement is it is ARMA model, not ARIME
yeah,
model. Correct. Same way,
yeah,
if we are keeping AR or P value zero, whether it will be like only MA model, correct, right?
yeah.
So in that case, it is since it is like near to zero, it is not even zero point 0.4 or zero point 0.5 also. It will be zero only. I can say. Then if we are applying like this, then there is no correlation at all. And one more thing
Yes,
which
yes.
I have
You're
observed
right.
is like there is like what we say confidence level something. There is some lines. I think top we can see. I think here. So
Confidence interval.
confidence interval. So they are telling the values should be in this.
In this range,
In
this
this.
confidence
So
interval.
whatever it is falling down, na, in that. So
Okay.
it definitely it is not like this which in the videos which I have shown. It is like some constant kind of thing, and it is whatever falling in this range they are taking consideration, and even mathematically now whatever it is falling above they are like neglecting it, even for mathematical. So this relation quotient into the value and like that whatever falling in inside this that quotient into their value they are summing up and they are doing some mathematical kind of thing. So that is another observation, but we have to keep study on it. So, but d value it is clear, right? Whatever differentiations we are making, that is the d value.
Yes, yes.
Okay. So even if it is like row wise only, we will go it. Like ours is hourly data, right? So if I am going 1 hour back, then it is one like that. Or not clear.
What? I didn't get your question.
Like d when we say one is we are making shift, correct?
Yes, yes,
So in our data, the shift of one means we are shifting to 1 hour, correct?
yes, yes.
So it doesn't matter whether it is hour or day or year. So it matters only the row what it says.
Yeah, it's actually depends on row only.
To only measure I have like rowing average, what window size we have to keep, and here D like if it is a shift, okay, how many shifts we can go, on what basis we will decide. Like we are shifting one, okay, but if it is two, if it is three, then what is
The shift, this shift also based on that one only. I feel difference because that also comes gives the difference. Like how many cycle for cycle, how many periods are there in that cycle depends on that we have.
means on what basis. There is two ways, trial and error method, and another thing is
Mm.
going with some base. I'm picking that concept as a base and we will going guessing that one, right? Because with for us if it is 1 year we have to go. I can see here it is 1 year, right? Previously which I have shown in the graph.
Mm-mm.
The season of
Yes,
January it is giving hike. Right, that's
yes,
what I
yes.
consider. So like that, if we with our data, if we want to go, then it is like it will take like 24 into 365 times. So which is manually we cannot make it. And so with some reference, we have to guess that value.
We have to see the auto correlation. If it's too positive in our case, we have to increase the differencing, like or which we plotted the auto correlation. It was showing a linear graph. So it is positive it is showing positive auto correlation. So we need to difference it. What I studied
So
from the
this
sources.
total this is one like Every January you can see it's hike. Uh, Again January hike, and in between June
Yes.
also there is little hike, but only 2 years it is there, and here it is like gradual decrease it is there. So this what I feel is this change in shape is like seasonality, right?
Change
Correct.
in shape. Seasonality is
Repetition
Yes,
of the
change
shape.
in shape.
different.
Yes,
Repetition of the
yes,
shape.
yes,
Huh? So
Yes.
yes,
the
right.
opposite of that word is like stationary, correct?
Yes,
So if we remove, correct me with this statement, having confusion of this. Okay, if we remove seasonality, then the graph will come stationary, correct?
Yes.
Okay, these are like two opposite words.
Yes. Yes.
So that is what the window size again and the Q value shift one. So it is like more related to each other, but how on what basis we have to like come means go deeper on it. So any other points from anyone else? Pranit, means I have covered yours also, but your sheet is
Yeah,
here.
yeah, just
So if you have
yeah,
anything missed now, just let us.
I think mine actually again it crashed after using all available RAM.
Maybe it is taking more. Maybe try to decrease that count, like four you have given, right?
Yes, I'll decrease the count. I will also decrease the data also. Like 1 2 years, I'll take it.
Uh,
I'll try again.
so Pranit, this is your data. If you want to like share anything else more than this, you can like unmute and speak.
yeah, just visualizing the data, yeah.
That's all okay. Then I have
But
covered.
I'm not much went into the deeper, but I just visualized the what that is a lot of confusion there in this thing.
Okay,
Anyone
Nayak.
have a clarity about this? How it process like how it step to be involved in this time series? Like first we need to check the station. Like anybody had a detailed clarity about that?
Very good. This means everyone can
Since
comment.
I think
Let's
there are a
start
lot
with
of
like
confusion there,
stationary.
and
Stationary we will attack as of my knowledge.
yeah.
For stationary moving, we will see seasonality is there or not. If seasonality is there, means the seasonality. If you remove the stationality of a graph, it will come. For that, visually, we will check that mean and standard deviation along the time period. It is like constant or not. We have to check it. For that, we have to do lot of transformations in the data original data. But what transformations, when, why we will take, that is like big question mark currently. After getting like good transformation and mean as a constant, even we can use like at Fuller method to cross check that stationary is there or not. So after checking that, we will jump into that like auto correlation is there or not, or the error value, q value it is there or not. So for that again we are using a separate model for that,
Okay.
Arima. So
Okay. Okay.
using Arima,
Yeah.
we are predicting it. There only we have like struck it up till now. Any points I have
Okay.
missed?
Yeah, I got. Yeah, I got. Yeah, yeah, understood.
Arina, Raman, maybe.
Doing well.
You are right, and so we also need to more deeper on the AAC. Why on what range, right? For some nodes, we are getting that. So AAC depends on what one
Hmm.
less type of data it is expecting. That also we need to check because after Arima,
Apart
after
from
fitting that,
AIC, there are other things also there, right? Will not suit
And
with our
SPIC.
data, or how it is. Like I don't know how to put that one.
so what type of data we'll need to check on that?
Okay, that means also two places then. So in place of AIC, whether any other parameter where we can keep it and check it in the model level, and their transformation thing. Like this is a big deciding factors, I can say, right? Okay, good. Any other points? So at least if we are done with the one model, then confidently we can go to the next.
So we'll fix on one Arima first.
Ah,
And let's say when Arima one, we'll finish that. So then by the time we'll see the data also, we'll make it right data transformations, whatever everything is required. Then we can apply in the remaining ones, remaining models.
If we are able to build one model, then it will be easier for us
yes,
to build
Yes.
the
second model.
pre-processing of data and data clean data if it is having, then it is like applying that model syntax and
So that means we'll fix till Arima on the previous questions, like questions what we have, right?
correct.
Like rolling averages, and till Arima we'll fix that to different models.
But
Then
how we will check it? If you run the Arima only, then you will come to know that your whatever transformations which you have applied is good or not. Correct.
Mean
yes.
absolute, there is mean absolute error.
So
Aman, try to like improve that one.
I have
Whatever.
shared the article yesterday. In
Mm-hmm.
that, everything about model is given,
Mm.
about cross validation, which cross validation we have to apply, about accuracy matrices, which model is giving us best result.
Yeah.
All this
Anyhow, that is
validation
falling under after finalizing one, and we are
model.
coming up with two models. Then it is right.
Yes.
Mm. So let's fully
now
concentrate
and
on
now
Arima, Lakshmi. That is what my view. Means
yes.
we will not go like AAC how it is varying at least at the first
Hmm.
level. So we will run just as a code like a cleaning part or a pre-processing part. We will do it. The values are changing. Whether it is changing and nothing is working out, then we will try to whether we'll go for AAC or anything else. We can make it there.
Okay.
Before that
So for
itself,
now,
the first thing is like a p value. Why that it is graph it is showing like that. That is first.
so we'll assign like a each like questions, right? We have 4 or 5 questions, right?
Mm.
So I will take two, other person will take two. They have to, because if you assign two, they'll more deeper they'll do. Will go if it is all, everybody wants to check all 5 minutes, they'll go high level
Mm.
only.
Actually, I have listed out those points and posted it because I didn't feel like this will take this much of time. That's right.
With
Because
that
he
questions,
has
I
he has done most of the thing, right? Aman has what I feel Aman has done total thing and that calculation of error score we have to do it extra. Prediction part we have to do extra and we have to rerun the thing like that. I have guessed. So I have keep whatever thing coming in my mind I put it. But now it seems like even a single point it is like it will like consuming part. So who will take this thing? Just regular this it.
so I will start proceeding on the Arima one, like taking the small one with the with the log data. We'll transfer the log data and also I'll check the Arima model.
Mm. Okay. So and
I
Or
will
if you
check
have
about
anything you
check
can.
about differential model. Oh, differential. When we should apply the differences and till which order we have to apply differences, like one, two, three.
okay.
That I will check.
Then I
And
will.
some other person can rolling average. Yeah,
That I
rolling.
will take like rolling average. Even I have worked out. My thing is like
Okay.
other transformations like log when we will apply. What it will happen if we apply? Like I will also look into that one. It will be like similar.
That I think Narayana has said that he will look at into.
Log one, right? Yes, log and
Yes.
Arima.
So
And I'll post that link. So instead of waiting till the meeting, like day after tomorrow or next day, so before summary, so that the same thing we can discuss in detail.
even myself also doing the same thing. Like whenever I
Mm.
feel like I have done some output right, I am uploading in Git. So we try to check there also if we have like if you want to access my code. First place look into there. If you didn't find, then bring me in WhatsApp. That is okay.
Okay.
And this code, Lakshmi, you are going to upload or already uploaded?
This one what I showed. No,
Ah,
I did not upload. It's
just keep it
I'll
okay so
upload
that
it.
next. Next, whoever wants to take reference, they can easily take.
Sure, sure.
And what about tomorrow thing? What we whether we can have some word on that, like what we are going to show.
Tomorrow, yeah, I need to prepare all the actually the same code what we have, right? So I'll remove the everything. So I'll keep the what we assigned to me and Subrat.
Mm.
So I'll try to prepare some theory on that,
Mm.
on theory and the practical. Both I want to show.
Theory, no need to prepare anything. Just say it. That will be okay.
Yeah, yeah. To say like what 2 3 lines and what each model
Okay.
is doing.
So your part and our part is clear, right? Okay, now my part, what I'm thinking is like anyhow we have prepared data set, scrapping I will say, scrapping was done, and finally only AQI with date I will filter it and I will say it, this is the final data which I have scrapped, or whether we have to give total data set. What you believe?
Yes, yes, that's better.
Only AQI is better, right?
So what?
Yeah, only AQ is fine, right? Only
Ah,
AQ.
so if they are coming up and saying, then we'll see it. Okay, because if more data if it is there means again people will get try to look into here and there and they will come up and
Yes,
say
yes,
that
yes.
data is not there, this data is not there. In our data, AQI wherever it is there, values are there, and wherever values are not there, only two places 5000 rows it is there. That is no data available. That it is matching in website, and insufficient data that is also matching in website. So that is quite good enough data. So I
Mm-hmm.
will say that that
So,
is the
so before the imputation, you will provide, right? Before the imputation. Okay.
even what I feel is like
Mm.
this is only small code, right? That
Mm.
predicting this thing, visualization and predicting. So na, not this one, right? Because for modeling, you know, even for Reena or some other Subham, it will be good. I'm feeling like so this part alone, like how much percentage I will try to show, okay, and I will say this rest of the 5000 is falling under these two category. I will say after that this graph also I want to show it because after this only this is the conclusion this
Yes,
is the
yes,
data set. Okay, for modeling
yes.
whoever working, let them work on this data set, but I will not
Okay.
freeze like this is the like top one. Akima
Yes,
is not
yes.
top one like that. I will not say.
Mm.
I will say
Mm.
like I have picked one of the approach and I have
Mm.
done with
Mm.
this data set so that it can be used for modeling purpose. So if you
Yes.
guys say no, Akima or a PGP is not the good one, some other one, then I will rerun with that model.
Okay. Okay. That's better. Mm.
Where we are running that one, uh, where we are predicting. This is only that is single line of code, right? I think this one. This is the part. This is the time. This is the PGP. So whichever thing you will say, I will try to like change that name here, and I will try to save that data frame. So making that one, but whatever for tested data, I will give this one. Okay.
Okay.
So and code wise, I want somebody to look into it. Means everything is good, but if others have some idea like uh, where we can make standardize that and all those, once we freeze, then we can directly push into that neuron thing also. So that we will keep after tomorrow meeting. Okay. Uh, like the whatever code it is there, comments also mostly wherever it is required, I did it.
Okay.
Only thing is whenever loop is okay or skipping,
Mm.
then we are rerunning it. Okay, so that is
Mm. Mm.
also okay. Just try to run multiple times, we'll do it. But after coming no value 1, we are running
Mm.
another loop, means we are changing the data frame index like this index kind of, and we are rerunning with that no value 1
Okay.
index.
No, no value.
Ah,
Okay.
so multiple times we are changing this index, right?
Mm.
One time
Mm.
if
Yes.
it is skipped totally, then whatever blank data it is there, those we are rerunning, and if no value 1, i
No
think
value.
i think
Yes.
in this code that blank data will not come, I think. Whether any one value it will come, no value only it will come.
No. Yeah. No value one or insufficient. Yeah.
Insufficient also it is okay, we will consider that it as a scrapped value. Okay,
Yes, yes.
any
Okay.
value or string, the two no value available or no insufficient data, that is good data. Okay, apart from that, no value one is there means we are rerunning it with indexing like this. Now we are changing somewhere here data frame, we are here this part. So I commented this line and I keep open these two lines and I am rerunning it. Do anything here like making some if condition or something like that, like means that after running we will in the starting line or in the ending line we will give something like run this loop. So first loop will be like this and second loop it will be like this, and they will be only selecting that one and run the total, or let
Okay,
it be
instead of
like this.
not running, yeah, we'll keep this one for now.
Hmm.
Or else we need to keep another loop, right? So that means same
It is
code
not.
runs each.
It is not loop. What I will say is I will make
Mhm.
it here if condition. Okay. So
Okay, okay.
in the bottom line I will keep a selection like make one to run this one. Okay. Which one? This
Mm-hmm.
log one. Okay. Normal one. So
Mm-hmm.
after
Okay,
completing that first process, let make it
okay,
that selection as a two. Okay. Then it will
okay,
in if condition it will be selected and this data will be running.
okay. Only no value data, value
Uh,
one data will be running.
Instead
Yeah,
of
that
making it
also good.
hash here,
Yes, yes.
making a
Yeah.
selection in the
Okay,
bottom.
if condition you will use.
Uh, Making
Okay,
selection
that
using
also
if
good.
condition. That is the idea I thought, but I didn't done it since I want to discuss it. Apart from that, this is fine, right? Definition whatever we have made top, that will be good enough, right? Like functions which we have built.
Yes, 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 are good.
So
Yes.
okay, then only that part I will like try to put in the selection and I
Mm-hmm.
will write some comments there. Then instead of why I think is in between if you make comments now, then nobody will see it. When they don't know,
Yes.
they will feel like everything it was captured and still data is missing. So in the
Mm-hmm.
last line we will make it that selection kind of thing, and we will make something note of it. I think that will be end of this one. We are
Yes.
good to upload then.
Scrapping. Yes.
Even this
Scrapping
this
one.
and
Yeah.
all those percentage also I'm keeping. Okay, for because for us,
Yes, yes. For reference. Yeah.
uh,
Better, right?
even this graph also it is required, and
We can
uh,
then next model one. So model what we are doing currently. So we'll keep it as a separate script,
correct.
separate
Model
IPA and
separate
then
will keep, but filling null
yes.
value till that I think it is good because we are visualizing null values and it is only one line of
Okay.
code. It is not much code
Yeah.
will be there.
Then we can keep it. Yeah. Instead
Uh,
of having for one line another
uh,
code,
yes,
complete code.
because it is only like pd dot interpolate and whatever method it
Yes.
is there, it is we are giving, right? So this one. So for this another sheet I think it is not good. So
Yes. Yes.
so we'll keep this one. Whatever the approach testing their data, we
Yeah.
see
Till
tomorrow.
till fill NA P chip. Yeah. This one till the end we can
No,
keep
no.
it
What
for
I'm trying
next
to say
set
is
of.
tomorrow we are going to show
Uh,
one sheet, right? One code.
yes.
So that code will keep like that only. That is for testing thing, and after finalizing, we will keep
Mhm.
only that value here and we will run that one.
Okay. So you mean that you are showing this one?
I want to show this one, but I
Okay.
will not say
Okay. Okay.
this is the final
Mhm.
method. I don't know which
Okay.
is
Yeah.
the
Yeah.
best method.
Okay.
Okay,
Yeah.
you
Based
guys
on.
have to
Okay.
tell that with RMS value, this is the best approach. Then I will try to like do this code, like code also like run save the data and I will share it. Yeah, they can be used
Mhm.
for modeling. Like that I will do.
Okay. Okay. That's a good one.
So since it is one line code, na, even they are also working in test data. That test
Mm-hmm.
data also Narayana has given some like Kaggle thing something. It is not good. They will be getting some good scores there, and actual whatever we are
What I
facing,
gave
na?
one? What I gave one? No,
No, no,
I gave
not
hours
you, not
only.
you, not you.
Yeah, Narayana has
Narayana
given.
has
Yeah,
given
that's
for
reason.
modeling purpose some website or somewhere he has scrapped it, taken it.
Okay. Okay.
So that is
Okay.
like Kaggle kind of thing. So that now if you run
Okay.
definitely that values whatever Arima value we are getting, it is like fallen under
Mm-hmm.
below 1,000 only. For us it is coming huge values. So those they will
Okay.
feel now itself. instead
Yes,
of
better.
again
They will
wasting.
fill the actual data.
Okay, any other thing? And
Yes,
what will be the
sir.
future
What
plan
I have
for tomorrow meeting? Means what I will be like jumping into the modeling part. Okay,
Okay, okay.
and
I'll start with the imputation. So imputation one. So we'll try for some time.
uh,
Imputation.
head
Then
imputation, you will be like RMS conclude with everybody, and you have to like do some conclusion, right? So you will be working on that only.
yes, yes.
Aman also.
So
sir, what I
Suprat,
have to
right?
say was
Suprat or Raman? I gave to Suprat or Raman.
I don't know.
Suprat, I think.
Subrat, Subrat.
Suprat.
Subrat,
I
yeah,
gave to
Subrat.
Suprat.
yes,
Yes,
yes.
Yeah,
for
tell
both
Subrat.
of us related one. Yeah, we'll do that.
Tell Subrat.
Okay, okay,
You are telling something.
okay, sir. Yes, sir. I was asking that what I have to say for tomorrow.
Yeah, so your thing na, your Narayana will present. So you both are internally coordinating and making even calls, right? So one guy presenting, one guy is good enough. So he will mention your name
Okay, sir.
as you both have done that job.
Yes, I will do
Okay,
that.
sir.
Okay, and even for modeling thing, they will continue with that. Only one girl like Shivani and some other Bhavana or some other girl that is there, right? Who are working in this thing in what that imputation part.
Imputation, yeah, Sana,
Sana Shivani.
and Sana, Shivani, yeah, Anudeep,
Uh,
and Suprat and me, 5 members.
okay, so four people are there apart from you. So for those four
Hmm.
people, it will be like again the same task or how it is.
Again, next day, next one. So as you give the data, right, we'll ask them to do the imputation.
So they will be
No,
coming with some RMS value. Okay, best case. Okay, worst case they are
I
not.
I do I don't. Yeah, I don't think
That is
they'll
the
be
best case
coming.
I'm telling. Worst case
Yes, yes.
they will not do anything and they will say I didn't
Just
understand. Okay.
yeah, understand or this simplest they'll say about theory,
So
like what it will do.
maybe giving reference of your sheet, you can ask you
Mm.
come up with like this approach. I want to see the
Yes,
final value. I don't want to hear anything else.
yes,
Okay,
yes, yes.
that RMS
And
value.
actually, one more thing. Yeah, one more thing. So instead of filling the null value from your side, so can you keep null values in the AQI
This
one
is for
sheet?
testing data, right? You even
Yeah,
both it is
peach.
there. See, I have two data sets
Okay.
now. Even I have shared in the
Oh,
group.
okay,
Two data sets it is
okay.
with this string it is there. What first one which you have opened and second data sheet
Yes.
is fill in a sheet.
Okay, okay. Then I'll give the fill actually first data set 50% one. I'll ask them to make the
That I will share
imputation.
na that scrapping was done like that I will say and I will give them
Okay, okay,
these two
okay.
data sets. Okay, one
Okay,
is
so you'll give the two data sets, right? With null
one for
values.
imputation, one for modeling.
Okay, okay, then fine. Yeah,
Okay,
okay.
so
Mm.
that will be good. So and for them next meeting also they will be working on that RMS kind of thing and they will try
Yeah,
to conclude
till Tuesday. Yeah, till Tuesday. By Tuesday,
Tuesday.
we can conclude that.
Definitely.
Tuesday meeting.
And don't involve Shivani into modeling part. Let her do
Mm.
involving here itself or in the that
Yes,
documentation or something else it is there. Because I'm
yes,
sure she
yes.
don't know anything in the modeling part. And if she
Mm-hmm.
involved, then she will raise her voice unnecessarily here. Let her sit and
Ye-
hear whatever we are doing.
Yes,
That it will be good because if people at least peacefully work and complete the work.
yes, yes. True.
I think okay then tomorrow we will meet.
Okay, for that. Yeah, sure.
Okay.
Any other
Okay,
points,
bye,
Okay.
guys?
everyone.
Any other anything?
No.
Okay. Okay then. See you tomorrow,
O-
guys.
Okay.
Try to share the links if you find something like related to the pre-processing thing.
Yeah, sure. I'll work on the log
Don't wait
one,
for the meeting. Don't
log
wait.
and Arima.
Mm.
So I'll post that. Yeah.
Okay. Okay then.
Oh,
Okay.
See you guys. Bye.
Okay. Bye.
Bye.
bye.